Shenzhen Sanzhui Biotechnology Company Limited is an ISO 9001 certified manufacturer of LED grow lights and vertical grow racks, located in Shenzhen, China, with branch offices and warehouses in USA, Germany, and Canada. Our brand, SunRetech, is well known to our customers all over the world. We offer premium quality products, professional technical support, and fast delivery of products. SunRetech owns over 14 patents on its LED grow lights design. We have diversified LED grow lights for commercial projects and hobby growers, which are good options for greenhouse, indoor room, multi-tier racking, vertical farming, and grow tent. SunRetech R&D team is equipped with many engineers with rich experience in LED horticultural lighting, responsible for structure design, electrical engineering, driver development, LED packaging, lab testing, and certification standards, as well as horticultural experts. They never stop researching and developing better products and solutions for a flourishing market. The products are certified by ETL, CE, CB, and DLC with unique design, high light output, and strong quality. SunRetech factory has 8 standardized production lines, can produce 50,000 pieces high-power LED grow lights per month maximum. Here we have automated machines, integrating spheres, PPFD testing devices, photoelectric equipment, vibration testing equipment, high and low temperature testing equipment, etc. Professional production facility and strict quality control make SunRetech lights withstand the test of time. We always insist on being the reliable partner of our customers.